Why are bumper guards and bull bars on automobiles prohibited in India? Because bull bars are directly linked to the vehicle's chassis, the impact of a collision is transmitted to the chassis. Because the whole impact is directed at the occupants, crumple zones are rendered obsolete. Rules violations can result in penalties ranging from 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees. The following are some of the reasons why bull bars and crash guards are illegal in India. 1. Pedestrian security. When a pedestrian collides with a bull guard or crash guard, the chances of serious injury or death skyrocket. Because they are strong and rigid by design, bull bars and crash guards distribute force to pedestrians rather than absorbing it. Bumpers and grills, on the other hand, are engineered to give to some extent, absorbing some force in an accident. 2. Problems with airbag deployment. When you install a bull bar in front of your car, you are adding a hefty piece of metal to its front end. As a result, the front airbag sensor may take longer to detect a collision, causing airbag deployment to be delayed. It's also conceivable that the sensors aren't triggered as a result. The airbags should deploy at the proper moment. If the airbags fail to deploy in time, the driver's head will collide with the steering wheel, causing a head injury. 3. Damage to the chassis. To prevent head-on crashes, a crumple zone is constructed in front of a vehicle. Crumple zones absorb the energy of a collision. When a car is involved in a collision, the effective energy and damage to the vehicle is significantly reduced by the crumple zones, and the people within suffer less shock and injury. Bull bars reduce the effectiveness of crumple zones while also providing a direct risk to a person's safety because the force is dispersed to the chassis. 4. Changes the driving characteristics of the vehicle. A bull bar may add a large amount of weight to a vehicle, especially if it is made entirely of steel, 40 kilograms with a winch, and 65 kilograms without, which can have a major impact on its handling and fuel economy. The change in vehicle weight and balance will have a detrimental influence on vehicle performance, notably tire life and stopping.